In this part, we are going to study about megasporogenesis. So, before going to megasporogenesis, I want to clear about the term. The term megasporogenesis is consists of two words. One is your megaspore, another one is your genesis. So, the term megaspore means a large spore and genesis means your formation. I can repeat, it consists of two terms. One is your megaspore, another one is your genesis. Megaspore means your large spore and genesis means your formation. So, formation of your large spore is otherwise known as your megasporogenesis. This is your first. Next point is your ovule differentiate to form your megaspore mother cell. What is your megaspore mother cell and what is your ovule? In our previous classes, we already studied about the structure of ovule. So, for better known, I want to repeat or recap the terms which we already studied about ovule. So, your ovule is consist of a stalk-like structure and a big body part. So, the stalk-like structure is otherwise known as your follicle, and the body part is consist of a large mass of cells which is 2 in number, that means diploid in number, which is otherwise known as your nucleus, and the nucleus is consist of two integuments, that means two overlapping structures which are developed from the chalaza length, that means the origin part of the integuments is already known as your chalaza length, and where the integuments are not joined, the opening part is already known as your micropylar end. Remember that chalaza end is always opposite to the micropylar end, and the middle part is the compact mass of cells is always known as your nucleus. So some of the ovules are consist of a single integument, which is otherwise known as your unitechnic, and some are 2 in numbers, that means your integuments are 2 in number, which is otherwise known as your bitechnic. It is an anatropous ovule and bitechnic in nature, that means 2 integuments are there and consist of a chalaza length, and the opening is otherwise known as your micropylar end. I think it is clear. And nextly, the total parts, that means the body part and the stalk-like part is joined in a single part, which is otherwise known as your hilum. That means the attachment part is always known as a hilum, and give to the total structure, that means give strength to the total structure. There is a ridge of cell, that means a number of cells are ridge wall-like structure is developed over here in the stalk part, which is always known as a raphet. It is only help to the structure, that means strength to the structure. Nextly, a single cell, that means it is the nucleus is consist of fully packed of cells, compact mass of cells which are 2n in number, and this 2n number of cells, the number of cells, a single cell is going to differentiate. That means a single cell of the MMC is differentiate to formation of your MMC. That means the cells of a single cell of your nucleus is going to differentiate to formation of your MMC. MMC means microspore mother cell. And as we know that microspore mother cell means it is diploid in nature, 2n in nature, and again the microspore mother cell is going to divide it. That means here I am going to differentiate more magnified diagram over here. Nextly, the total microspore mother cell and the nucleus parts. We know that this is your microspore mother cell, these are the nucleus, this is the magnified diagram. This is the first part. If we arrange it, this is your chalaza length and this is your micropylar end. So here is the MMC. Nextly, ovule is differentiated from the megaspore mother cell. It is completed that the megaspore formation, that means megaspore mother cell is formed. Nextly, MMC is undergoes meiosis. Why undergoes meiosis? Meiosis occurred because in our previously we know that these are the diploid cells. So we are going to formation of your haploid cell, that means your megasporogenesis, that means formation of your megaspore. Megaspore means your large spore, but n in number. So diploid to haploid, and over here there is a formation of a meiosis takes place. So as we are going to form the meiosis, then it is, that means the ovule is formed from the MMC. MMC is 2 in nature, 2n in nature, and then meiosis occurs. And meiosis is going to formation of your n number of cells, that means which are haploid in nature. So as haploid formation takes place, haploid cells, 4 haploid megaspores are formed, which is always known as a megaspore tetrad. That means the formation of a megaspore tetrad formation takes place. Here is the megaspore mother cell. Here is the nucleus layer. Nextly, first division takes place. Here is the micropylorant. Here is the chalazolant. The division takes place, which is your known as your megaspore diet. Nextly, formation of your 4 haploid cells takes place. That means here is 2. Here is your tetrad formation, megaspore tetrad. Here is the micropylorant. Here is the chalazolant. As we know that the MNC formation takes place in your micropylorant, not in your chalazolant. So the division is also takes place in micropylorants. And next stage, the three number of cells, as we tell you that 1, 2, 3, and 4. A single cell is remains, and the upper 3 are, that means you have number 1, number 2, and number 3. These 3 are degenerated, and single one is left. The ovule, and which gives rise to the formation of your embryocyte later. And in our next class, we are going to study about the structure of your embryocyte, and the most interesting part about the embryocyte is why it is known as your 8 nucleated 7 cell structure and how it is formed. In our next class, we are going to study about that. So till then, stay tuned. Thank you.